Yo, what's up, guys? This is your boy Mekshin, aka Babes, your life dating and relationship coach. Now, if you are looking for a relationship dating advice, please don't go anywhere. You are in the right place. Today, we are gonna talk about before, during, and after Valentine's Day. Now, we all know Valentine's Day is on the 14th of February. However, we don't know, or we have little knowledge on what happens and what occurs before, during, and the Valentine's Day. Now, I'm gonna start from before, okay? So, before Valentine's Day, wait a minute, before I begin, make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you'll be the first person to watch any uploaded video in the future, okay? Let's get to business. Now, before Valentine's Day, we have something we call cuffing season, okay? And cuffing season occurs from the month of October and it ends on the 14th of February. Now, this cuffing season is a period where a lot of people go into a relationship. A lot of men and women experience relationship, experience love during this cuffing season. So if you don't take care, you are gonna be in a relationship during this cuffing season, and it's not a bad thing, alright? It's not a bad thing. However, there are do's and don'ts in this situation. So don't go anywhere, just keep watching. Moving on to talk about before Valentine's Day, that is the cuffing season I was talking about. Now, it's like this because from October to 14th of February is pretty much this month has the most of the holiday seasons, okay? It has holiday season, talking about Christmas Eve, talking about the different kinds of holidays we have in December, and coming to 1st of January, that is the New Year holiday, and then also moving on to the best of all, I mean the one that a lot of people admire a lot, the 14th of February, the Valentine's Day. So that makes sense why a lot of people wants to go into a relationship. Even those who have been working harder from January to September, they all want to go in a relationship because they want people to show them love. They need attention. Like, they want people to go out with them, experience some kind of friendship, some kind of, careness. Yeah, that makes sense why a lot of people go into a relationship from October to 14th of February. That's the cuffing season. Now, let's talk about during the Valentine's Day. That's on the 14th of February. What happens? Now, on the 14th of February, a lot of people, we know that it's a period to have fun, it's a period to show love. Now, we have misquoted that showing of love to limiting it to sex. Now, listen, if you are one of those who got yourself in a relationship during this cuffing season period, on the 14th, what happens is you are just gonna give yourself out. You are just gonna make yourself as a hotel reservation. I mean, that's what I call it. You are just gonna give yourself to the other person, give your body, have sex, and you think that having sex with the opposite sex, like with the other partner, is just the way of showing your love. I'm telling you, that is toxic. It's really wrong. Now, people came into your life during this period just because they needed people to care for them. They needed attention. They needed people to have party with. And that's why they came to your life. If you don't take care, and on the 14th of February, you're gonna give yourself out having sex, now let's watch out what is gonna happen after the 14th of February. Now, after 14th of February, the month of March is the moment that a lot of people experience breakup. If you don't believe me, you can Google it, you can search about it. Why we have a lot of breakups in March? Because people went into a relationship during this cuffing season, not just because they wanted love. No, it was just for showing sympathy, showing that they are people who really care about them. Like, they wanted people to go out with them, have fun. That was it. So if you are in this kind of relationship during this period, and after Valentine's Day on the 14th, you are gonna have a broken heart from 14th of February through to March. So March is the most the month that we experience a lot of breakups because people went into relationship without even thinking about it, without even realizing that if this person is coming in for my keeps or this person is coming in just for my right, because we were desperate looking for relationship. So this is just gonna be an advice for those of you who have gone into a relationship during this period. Just analyze it, think about it, and you know how and why this person came into your life during this season. Is it just for your upkeep or just for the right? Now I want to come back to during Valentine's Day and say something about it. Listen, during Valentine's Day is not a day to have sex. It's not a sex day. There is nowhere written that Valentine's Day or 14th of February is a sex day. So take that idea from your mind. Don't be corrupted that, oh, today is Valentine's Day, what are you doing for me? You're gonna show me love and then you're gonna open your legs widely. It's not right. It's not it. Because after that, watch out what is gonna happen from 14th of February through to March. It's just breakups only. So I'm putting it across to you. If you don't want to lose something that you value, if you don't want to lose your body to anybody who doesn't even care about you, who just came into your life to have fun during certain kind of holiday periods, then I'm telling you to reserve yourself, keep yourself, alright? Make sure you protect yourself. Don't forget it. Your life or your body is the temple of God. Don't just give it out to anybody that comes your way. Make sure you protect it, keep it safe. Valentine's Day is not a sex day. It's a day to show love. And you can show love in many ways. I know this video came to hit toes, came to hit some heart, came to hit a lot of people. Now, I get it. Don't be mad at me. As a life dating relationship coach, I get it. Make sure you get yourself into a healthy relationship. You get it? We are not here to play games. I'm not going to give you any toxic advice. I'm there to help you make sure you go into a relationship that can draw you much more closer to God. Not a relationship that can just detach you from the Spirit of God. Alright, so don't be mad, but don't forget that Valentine's Day is not a day to have sex. Period. Now, to those of you out there who are not in a relationship and are trying to go into a relationship just because you think Valentine's Day is approaching and you need somebody to go out with, just be very, very careful, because this is a cuffing season period, and anybody who will come into your life is just coming in 99% just for the right. So be very, very careful, and don't worry if you are not gonna get anybody to take you out on Valentine's Day. Stay in your room, you can pray, you can have fun, you can buy food, eat with your friends, your family. That will be of great importance than to go into a relationship or a romantic relationship that is gonna end after 14th of February, and from 15th to March is gonna be a breakup for you. I want to put this one across. The painful thing in life is to be deceived. Okay, now the moment you are deceived, you lose self-confidence and you lose trust. And that's why I can say that the devil works on deceiving us every time. So don't just go into a relationship during this period. Don't just be deceived and then go have breakup after Valentine's Day and come back and cry. Okay. Now I have told you what is good. Oh man, the Bible also says in Proverbs chapter 22 verses 3 that the prudent sees danger and seek refuge. Get it? The prudent sees danger and seek refuge. Now the unthinking person will see the danger and then walk straight to it and suffer for the penalty. So I have told you, oh man, what is good. Make sure you are not deceived. Make sure you don't give yourself out during this Valentine's Day just like that, because your body is the temple of God, not a hotel reservation where everybody can just check in and check out. Alright. Thanks for watching this video up to this far. I'm gonna give you another tips. Don't see red flags as being like, because confusion is not from God. If you are confused about this video that, hey, is this the right person I'm moving it? Is this decision I'm gonna take on Valentine's Day is the right choice? That's up to you. Pray about it, okay? And I'm pretty sure you're gonna get an answer and solutions to that. But as a life dating relationship coach, I'm gonna tell you to sit down and analyze and know the right person for you before you give away yourself. Do not allow flowers and teddy bear or drinks or shoe take away your pride. Okay, take away your pride. Be wise and vigilant. Boom.